Hi there, everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning. It is October 11th. One thing about today, probably the biggest threat of the day today is going to be the threat of wildfires. Another day of strong winds, dry conditions, very low relative humidity this afternoon because of warm, dry conditions and, of course, the continuing drought across the area. So a red flag warning will be in place roughly about Highway 281-ish westward. Starting at noon today, continuing until 8 o'clock this evening for most of these communities here, until 9 o'clock right in here for south central Nebraska and north central Kansas, these counties here. So that basically what this means. And we are no stranger to wildfires at this point here in Nebraska. We saw what happened out near Scotts Bluff not too long ago. The Halsey area, Nebraska National Forest, a couple of weeks ago. Fires can easily get out of control. If you happen to be a smoker, find another way of extinguishing your cigarettes, not throwing them out the window of your car, because we don't need a fire just getting going in a ditch because of a cigarette going or something like that. Open burns, of course, a no-go on a day like today, and I would even include eastern Nebraska in that as well. It's just not a good day for that. Winds are going to be strong today. They're already breezy this morning, but they're going to be rather breezy out of the south-southwest. An approaching cold front, but we will be warm out ahead of it. Look at those winds turning behind that front. It'll bring in some cooler air as well. Those winds could be gusty this evening behind that front. We could see some gusts, maybe 35 to 40 miles per hour. That front also maybe triggers a couple of spotty showers, some thunderstorms out there. Eastern Nebraska would have the best chance of thunderstorms out there. Still a small chance of maybe a lingering shower right in here, sprinkle anyway. But gusty winds, those winds will gradually die down. Skies will clear up late tonight into tomorrow morning. Lots of sunshine tomorrow, but maybe a few clouds mixed in as a surface trough comes through. And look at those winds out of the northwest. It's going to be a very windy day on Wednesday and cooler as well. And those winds will calm down. The skies will clear up Wednesday night into Thursday morning, but another windy day expected Thursday. Chance of severe weather over southeast Nebraska later tonight for wind and hail. Not a very good chance out there. Otherwise, not much of a chance for tomorrow. Then as we look at highs for today, topping out in the 80s in most spots. Some cooler 70s off towards the west behind that front. Tonight dropping back into the 40s for overnight lows with a few upper 30s out west. And tomorrow a cooler day along with some strong winds. 60s up north, low to mid 70s farther south. Upper 30s, low to mid 40s for tomorrow night into Thursday morning. And a cool day on Thursday with more strong winds expected. The rest of that 7-day forecast, you can see strong winds the next couple of days. Temperatures do start to recover a bit on Friday back into the mid 70s, breezy conditions. Lower 70s on Saturdays. Our next cold front starts to sink south, bringing a few more clouds, cooling down through the weekend. And then early next week, the sun returns. The winds won't be as strong, but it will be kind of a cool day on Monday and a chilly start, maybe a frosty start to our Monday. In fact, long-range temperature trends show that we'll be cooler for a couple of days, but then warm back up later on next week. Well, thank you all for watching on this Tuesday morning. I hope it's a good one for you. See you all again on Wednesday with all of the latest. Talk to you all later. Take care, and God bless. Bye.